We're back for All Can Glide Ride Part 2, and we're going to the One Moto Show here in Vegas today. It's going to be pretty cool. Check this out. To the Moto One Show, checking it out. Before we get ready and head out the door here, I don't know if you guys have seen this from track day, but we have absolutely destroyed these floorboards on this bike. You should head over and check out my Instagram, All Can Glide. Over on Instagram, I got so much track stuff over there. So what are we doing today? Well, we're heading over to go get Leonard, and then we're gonna go get some donuts and some coffee with some other people that are interested in getting some donuts and coffee. We are doing our meetup ride. I posted it over on Instagram, and if you're local to Vegas, keep an eye out for it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because we're gonna do these as often as I can. And ooh, there's a Motors guy up there. Motors guy. We're gonna do these as often as I can, and yeah, get a group of people together that's local to Vegas and do some of my favorite rides. So this is my second ever meetup ride, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be a great day. We're finishing the ride at the One Moto Show. I mean, how cool is that? Getting to ride around Las Vegas, and then we go down to the Arts District of Las Vegas for a custom motorcycle show. Like, I feel like I put together pretty fun rides. And stop. You good? Oh, here, let me move this. There we go.
I'll trip on you later.
I'll trip on you later. Stop! Woo! Good to see you, dude.
Hell yeah.
Good to see you, good to see you, good to see you. Woo!
My summer gloves.
What's up, my dude? Alright, let's see if we can all get out of here peacefully.
Jack, I couldn't keep up with that.
I was getting so sick of it, but I'm like, I didn't want to send it because... Well, we just left the Overlook, and now we're heading down to Fremont to go check out the One Moto Show. Pretty cool. We stopped at the Overlook, and we saw all kinds of people that are going to be at the Moto Show, so we're all basically heading down there at the same time, which is pretty cool, just in different groups.
Out today.
Yeah. Such a beautiful day, no wind, temperature's like 60 degrees. We got a good group of guys with us heading down to the One Moto Show here in Vegas. Pretty cool. One of our buddies has two of his bikes in it, and then another friend of ours, his girlfriend has her chopper in the show. So we want to go check those bikes out, see how they're doing, see what other people think of those bikes. It is a builder's show, so there is custom bikes. made it. Show, and one of my buddies has 2 of his bikes in this show, Screaming Envisions over on Instagram. Check this bike out. Oh yeah, it's just another night down on Fremont, baby. Oh! Woo! We're in the photos! We're in the photos! Woo! We are forever gonna be in those photos. Yes! Unless they use AI and crop us out.
Today it was okay. Life was okay today.
Marissa, I got very much from Marissa.
Ooh, evil pie after the One Moto Show. So good.